In this session, we will see about half adder. A half adder is a circuit which take two inputs. Let the two inputs be A and B. Both these are 1-bit number. That means A can be either 0 or 1 and B can be either 0 or 1. They are single bit numbers. So a half adder is a circuit which take two inputs and produce two outputs named as sum and carry. So S stands for sum and C stands for carry. So this is the basic definition of a half adder. Now we will see in detail. First we will write the truth table of a half adder. We will write the truth table. So as seen in the figure, we have inputs and outputs. So a truth table is a table which shows the relation between input and output. So therefore, as in the figure, we have two inputs, namely A and B. Similarly, we have two outputs, namely sum and carry. And now we will see the different combinations of input. So already I have mentioned A can be 0 or 1. Similarly, B can be 0 or 1. First condition, let us assume A is 0 and B is 0. In the second case, let us assume A is 0 and B is 1. Third case, A is 1 and B is 0. And last case, A is 1 and B is 1. These are the different conditions of inputs. First condition, A is 0 and B is 0. Second condition, A is 0, B 1. Third condition, A1, B0, and fourth one, A1, B1. These are the four combinations using two variables. Now we have to find what is sum and what is carry, the outputs. If A is 0 and B is 0, then the sum is 0 and carry is also 0. Just binary addition. If A is 0 and B is 1, 1 plus 0, the sum is 1 and the carry is 0. The next condition is A1, B0. We add 1 plus 0, the sum is 1 and carry is 0. Sum is 1 and carry is 0. If we add 1 plus 1, the next number is, so if we write the binary number 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0 and it will go on. So from 1, that is A is 1, if we add 1 to it, it will go to next number. 1 plus 0 is same number, that is sum is 1. But if we add 1 from 1, that is 1 plus 1, it will go to next number, that is 1, 0. In decimal number system, we may add 5 plus 5. What is 5 plus 5? Yeah, 0. That is sum is 0 and carry will go here. Carry is 1. Since here there is no number in the tens place, we will write the carry to down. We will write as 10. Actually, when 5 plus 5 is done, sum is 0, carry is 1. Similarly here, when we do 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 in binary, so next number is 1 0. 1 plus 1, the next number is 1 0, that is sum is 0, carry is 1, it will go down, it is 1 0. So 1 plus 1 means, that means A is 1 and B is 1, then sum is 0 and carry is 1, as I have explained. So this is the truth table of a half adder. This is the truth table of a half adder. Now we will try to find the equations of sum and carry. We want to find what is sum and what is carry. So first we will find the sum. If we see the column from the truth table, if we see the column of sum, we can clearly see there is only 2 1. We will consider when and all the sum is 1. So only in these two cases the sum is 1. That means when input is 0 1 and when input is 1 0. That means sum is 1. So we will get the output sum as 1 only if the first case, only if the first case is satisfied or the second case is satisfied. That is, the first case is A is 0 and B is 1. That is, since A is 0, it is A bar and it means dot operation. B, since B is 1, we can write it as B. So this is the first condition. Sum is 1 when A is 0, this is A is 0 and B is 1. So this is this condition. So either in this condition or in the next condition, that is or is plus, or when A is 1 and B is 0, that is when A is 1 and B is 0, B bar. So finally we can write the sum as S is equal to A XOR B, because A bar B plus A B bar is the logic expression or logic equation of XOR gate. So sum is A XOR B. This is the standard equation. This is also correct. So if we simplify, or we want to write it in a standard form, the sum of a half adder is A XOR B. Similarly, now we will see the carry. Look at the carry column, C column. The output is high only in the last condition, in the case of carry. That means carry is 1 only when A is 1 and B is 1. So therefore what is carry? C is equal to, carry is high only when A is high, that is A is as A itself into B. A and B. A and B should be 1. So this is the equation for carry. So we have completed writing the logic expression. So now we will see how to draw the logic diagram. That means logic diagram means already we have written, already we have drawn the logic diagram. This is the logic diagram for half adder. So now we want to find what is inside this box. What is inside this box? So we want to find that. So for that we will take the help of this logic equation. We are going to take the help of this logic equation or logic expression. So we will draw the diagram. We have two inputs, A and the other input is B. So what is sum? Sum is A XOR B. We want to XOR A and B. So just give it to XOR gate. This is XOR gate. And this is sum. A XOR B. Now what is carry? Carry is A multiplied by B. So take A from here and take B from here. So for AND operation we will get AND gate. We will take AND gate. And this is A and B and it is known as carry. So this is the logic diagram of half adder. Logic diagram of half adder. These two are known as logic expression or logic equation. And the first one we have drawn, this one. This is known as logic symbol. So don't forget about these terms. This is logic symbol, this is truth table, this is logic expression, and this is logic diagram. And this is all about half adder.